just showing you that I flexi rod the hair, and I ran out of flexi rods, so some of the hair I just pin curled, and I first wand curled the hair with the wand curl I showed you in my wand curl tutorial. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like before I put it in my head, and I'll show you guys the dye that I use and everything to achieve this look. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got, the reactions I got from school, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my NARS Amande concealer and just do like my under eye and stuff. I'm like trying to figure out if I like the hair. Like, I like the color and stuff, but I'm just not really used to color on myself, so I'm just like trying to figure out if I really do like it. I like try to do the best I could with the lace and stuff. And I'll show you like the dyes that I used to color this hair. I did the watercolor method, and it wasn't a 613 hair either. It was like black hair, and I bleached it, and then I did the watercolor method. So yeah, and it looks shorter than what I don't know. This was like the hair, I already had it like black before, and I usually like use it in other videos. I have no idea really where it's from. So yeah. So yeah, I'm just applying this concealer messily all over, and I hope we're gonna see like if I get different stares. Now I'm just gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. I really want to do some like curls that are like I don't know, like what are they called? Like those really bouncy curls. Because I only have one curl in one, and I don't think it can achieve that. Like, you have to get those bigger barrels. Look at my Fenty Beauty foundation, and this one's in 470. And then my Morphe brush. Shout out to new subscribers. Hey, like, it's lit. Finally seeing like progress. I put like way too much foundation, but finally seeing progress. So like, yeah, shout out to y'all. Join the family. And if you're watching right now and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe right now. I need to start looking at the lens. I keep looking at the viewfinder. Oh, and I'm back at school right now. That's kind of, it's probably obvious. Yeah. But yeah, I was at winter break, so now I'm back. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do some college vlogs. We're gonna see. Now going in with a little bit of Shape Tape right underneath my eyes. And basically everywhere, but just a little bit so I can like really brighten. I haven't used this in a long time. This is the Kat Von D powder in translucent. It's kind of yellow, so I want to use it today. I hope it looks good. I remember it used to look good, but sometimes it can appear ashy. Yeah, I like it. It looks good so far. Y'all, now I'm gonna go in with this. Like, this was on sale. I'm so happy. This is a Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is in dark to deep. So it's darker than the one I used to have, and I'm so happy because this one actually contours me. So yeah, and it has the other shade that usually would be in the other one that I would try to contour with. So I finally found the contour powder. So I'm not sure if it like works really well, but I just know it contours for me. So I'm still trying it out. This part always looks so weird to me. I don't know why. I'm just going ahead and applying that brown shade, the second one right here, and I'm like applying this to my crease and stuff. I always do the ugly face, sorry. So I'm going to set my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Gel. And I'm applying this mascara, the MAC Extended Play Gate Black. This joint is so good. I love it for my bottom lashes. I just apply a little bit on the top. I know I'm gonna wear lashes. I need to order some new AliExpress lashes. And now I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Awesome Blossom. This is like a highlighter, and I'm just gonna apply this. Going in with my LA Girl brown lip liner. I'm going to just apply this. Going with this NYX Duo Chrome in this Cocktail Party. Okay, y'all, so I basically like combed out the curls, and yeah, this is what it looks like. I really like it. I'm not really used to myself seeing like having colorful hair, so I don't know. Do you guys like it? Let me know if you like it down below. Oh, and the lashes I put on are these AliExpress lashes. And also the colors that I use are these two. So these, I use literally all the bottle of this one. And then I use like half the bottle or a little bit more than half of this one. And I mixed the two and then I dyed it. This one is in Cajun Spice and this one is in Paprika. So yeah, and this is the color that I got. This is really pretty to me. I like it. I'm just not used to it. Like, I'm usually all black. Yeah, let me know if you like it down below. And yeah, so hopefully I might vlog in the next clip or whatever. If I don't, then see you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe down below. And follow me on my social media links. They'll be down below also. Okay, it's now nighttime, and basically I've gotten like some really weird stares like from people around me because of my hair. And then some people told me like my hair was cute at school today. So yeah, I'm concluding that people have mixed opinions. Like, yeah, I like it. So yeah, and I did like a thing on Instagram and a lot of people liked it. So yeah, but I just still get like some weird stares, I guess, because people don't know dark skin girls can wear everything black hair. But we're gonna see how this works with some other colors that I have coming up. So yeah, if you want to see it, then stay tuned. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.